Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see some common words in English.
English. Before that, if you really want to improve your English, you should follow the four key skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For example, before that, if you really want to improve your English, you should follow the four key skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For example, you need to be able to read well before you can write well. You also need to be able to listen before you can speak. In this video, you're going to listen some sentences like kids. Now, get start the video. First word, good. You are a good friend. Good to see you. That smells so good. You have a good family. He had done one good deed. Second word, can. Can we start? What can I do for you? Can you get me my eyeglasses? Can we make our project together? Can your mom and dad come to the party? Third word, could. Could you help me with my project? I could swim well even when I was a child. How could she blame him? I never thought I could do it. We could have as many as 10 people come to dinner tonight. Fourth word, them. Please give this to them. I put some cookies on the table and the kids saw them right up. We will take care of them together. This was a very interesting experience to them. Few rich men own their property. The property owns them. Fifth word, something. I have something for you. Did you have something in mind? You should do something about the problem. There is something wrong with her. I heard something outside. Sixth word, ask. Can you ask the waiter to bring us some wine? I want to ask you something. I think it's time for me to ask for his advice. Let's ask the travel agent for information. He wants to ask her out, but he's too nervous. Seventh word is like. I like this bag better than the other one you showed me. I would like to know everything. The people did not like this. I want a haircut like yours. My brother looks like my dad. Seventh word is take. Please take home some of these apples. I usually take a bath after dinner. She could not take her eyes on him. She had to take care of her sister. Take the bag and count the money. Ninth word is more. Can I have some more milkshakes? I had to wait more than 3 hours. She advised him to do more exercise. I can do more. The more he waited, the more irritating he becomes. And 10th one is only. You're my only friend here. The only thing he is thinking about is seeing her. She married him only because her parents made her. It's not only Tom that has to study. He was only 14 years old. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you enjoying it. That's it for today. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.